Hi everyone, Phil's here and welcome to my channel. On today's video we will be talking about artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is a hot topic these days. You may have heard about ChatGPT, Midjourney, and etc. It can be a little bit confusing, I know, especially if you're not a tech person. In this video, I'm going to give you a friendly explanation of AI that's easy to understand and follow. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, what is AI? AI is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. In other words, AI is about creating machines, or software, that can work autonomously. These machines are designed to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Examples of AI? There are many different examples of AI in use today. Let's take a look at a few of the most common examples. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. They rely on sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to perceive the environment, make decisions, and safely maneuver on the road. Have you heard about Tesla? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new data, such as images, videos, audio, text, and 3D models. It does this by learning patterns from existing data, then using this knowledge to generate new and unique outputs. Generative AI is capable of producing highly realistic and complex content that mimics human creativity, making it a valuable tool for many industries such as gaming, entertainment, and product design. Best example is the software called Midjourney, which generates images from natural language descriptions. Augmented reality, AR. AR is a technology that superimposes a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world. AR can be used for a variety of purposes, such as providing directions, translating languages, and even playing games. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand your voice commands and respond to your requests. They can answer questions, play music, set reminders, and even control smart home devices, all through natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. So, many have been wondering, okay, but how does AI work? AI systems typically work by using a combination of algorithms and data. The algorithms are the rules that the system uses to process information and make decisions. The data is the information that the system uses to learn and improve its performance. AI algorithms are trained on large data sets of data, and they use this data to learn how to perform tasks such as recognizing objects, understanding language, and making predictions. For example, a self-driving car might use algorithms to track its location, identify objects in its path, and predict the movements of other cars. The car would also use data from its sensors, such as cameras and radar, to learn how to navigate safely. Over time, as the car gathers more data and refines its algorithms, it becomes better at driving autonomously. It's super cool, right? So, let's now talk about the different types of AI. When it comes to types of AI, there are many different types of AI, but let's focus on three common ones. First, machine learning. This is a type of AI that allows systems to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning systems use algorithms to analyze data and identify patterns. They learn from the data they receive, allowing them to make predictions, classify information, and improve their performance over time. Next, natural language processing. This is a type of AI that allows systems to understand and process human language. Natural language processing systems can be used for tasks such as translation, text analysis, and speech recognition. They enable virtual assistants and language translation services to understand and respond to human speech or text. And last but not least, computer vision. This is a type of AI that allows systems to see and understand the world around them. Computer vision systems can be used for tasks such as object recognition, facial recognition, and scene understanding. They analyze visual data from images or videos, enabling applications like autonomous vehicles, surveillance systems, and augmented reality. Okay, know that you know what AI is, how does AI works, and the different types. Let's talk about the benefits of AI. There are so many benefits of AI that I could be talking all day about it. One of the significant benefits of AI is its ability to enhance efficiency. AI-powered systems automate tedious and repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for both individuals and businesses. AI also brings personalized experiences to the forefront. Think about the recommendations you receive on streaming platforms, online shopping websites, or social media. These recommendations are tailored to your interests and preferences thanks to AI algorithms that analyze your past behavior and suggest content you're likely to enjoy. It's like having your own personalized curator. Another fantastic benefit of AI is its contribution to accessibility. AI-powered technologies, such as speech recognition and language translation, break down communication barriers. They enable individuals with disabilities to interact with digital systems more easily and access information effortlessly, fostering inclusivity and equal opportunities. To be honest, I truly believe AI has a huge potential to transform our world and make our lives much better. What takes me to the next point: the future of AI. The future of AI is incredibly promising, with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. In healthcare, AI can significantly improve disease diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. By analyzing medical images and patient data, AI algorithms assist doctors in making more accurate decisions, leading to better outcomes. Additionally, AI-driven automation is set to enhance productivity by taking care of routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on more innovative and strategic work. AI's ability to personalize experiences will reshape industries such as e-commerce and entertainment. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms offer personalized recommendations and tailored content, enhancing user experiences and making interactions with technology more seamless and enjoyable. However, as AI continues to advance, ethical considerations become crucial. Ensuring privacy, addressing algorithmic biases, and promoting transparency are essential to responsible AI development. Collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and society is necessary to harness AI's potential for positive change while mitigating risks. So, guys and girls, let's wrap up here. I don't want to overwhelm you with tons of details about the world of AI. I truly hope this video has provided you with a good understanding about AI. Just want to say thank you for joining me on this AI journey. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. That's going to help me to produce more videos like this. If you have any questions or thoughts about AI, please share them in the comments below. Cheers!